man, it's a little hot out. All right, so we just got here. So I noticed this yesterday, but I didn't put 2 and 2 together until we rectified the issue with the lawnmower. And this is why I will not be giving her any money of any sort whatsoever. So I don't know if you guys could see, this is her yard. And look. She started to cut her grass, her borderline, made a pass, right? This looks cut here, went down into the bushes, and you can see the clumps, and that's where she hit, and that was it. All right, did a diagonal cut on her. I made 2 passes, showed her grass grow a little too long, so it's clumped up a little bit, but that'll be on her to rectify.